Are you tired of pesky pests invading your home? And have you made the decision to eliminate these pests, but are concerned that crawling babies or curious pets might accidentally ingest the pesticide? Do you want a natural, non-toxic solution to get rid of them? Look no further than your kitchen cupboard. I'll show you how to use baking soda to exterminate common household pests. Baking soda is a common household item that is safe, non-toxic, and effective at killing pests. It's also inexpensive and easy to find at any grocery store. Baking soda works by dehydrating pests and disrupting their digestive systems, causing them to die. There are several ways you can use baking soda to get rid of pests in your home. Method 1 involves creating a bait that lures pests in. For this, you'll need equal parts of baking soda and powdered sugar. Simply mix these two ingredients and sprinkle the mixture in areas where you've seen pest activity or along their trails. The sugar acts as bait, attracting the pests when they consume the mixture. The baking soda disrupts their digestive system, causing gas buildup and eventually leading to their demise. You can also sprinkle baking soda on your carpets and furniture, then vacuum it up after a few hours. Then the baking soda will dehydrate and kill the fleas and ticks. So next time you're dealing with pesky pests in your home, reach for the baking soda. It's a safe, natural, and effective solution that will help you get rid of those unwanted visitors. Thanks for watching. If you want easy and eco-friendly information, natural examples,